This turtle can take your finger clean off, and it's older than the dinosaurs. The snapping turtle isn't your average pond pet. With a bite force of over 200 psi, it's a living fossil that hasn't changed much in over 90 million years. Its prehistoric armor and dinosaur-like tail say it all. They've been called the dragon of the lake, and some Native American tribes saw them as symbols of creation, carrying the world on their backs. Don't mess with this ancient beast. Hit that subscribe button if you're into ancient beasts that still walk among us.